Go and talk to companies directly, or just cold email या फिर call पे लग जाओ और पूछो कि what exactly do you want and how can I help you in it. So that way you'll have direct feedback. And अगर उन्होंने बोला कि hey, I need a content writer, or if someone says hey, I need a video editor, or if someone says I need someone who helps me teach a particular topic and I feel like I can help you teach, then go ahead and do it. So there are thousands of professions out there, but the best way of getting a gig is approach a favorite company, ask them what they're working on, and at least for abhi nahi, but when I was in my ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th grade, I wasn't a very social person. I was very introverted, right? I did not talk to girls. I did not have a girlfriend. I did not like, right? I did not talk to a lot of people. I was like scared that hey, ये तो बड़ा बंदा है, इसके साथ कैसे बात करूंगा मैं.
ओके। सो जब स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेज के अंदर आते हैं या तो बेसिकली एक चीज़ होती है कि हसल स्टार्ट करो किसी तरीके से। आई वांट टू आस्क दैट कि अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हसल्स जिससे कि मतलब एक साइड इनकम भी बन सकती है और बेसिकली एक्सप्लोर करने को भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स को। तो आपके अकॉर्डिंग आज पे इस टाइम पे कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी?
तो जसप्रीत, इसके बारे में एक ब्लॉग लिख रहा हूँ मैं, which states all the side hustles that a college students can make. It might have like around 20 to 30 side hustles.
ओके।
But maybe I can give you a broad idea about how I look at side hustles. So one of them could be, let's see. I mean, ठीक है, सबका अलग अलग साइड हसल रहता है, राइट? क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को जानता हूँ who are video editors. They just help different companies chop out good parts of the videos, add some animation, add some graphics, and then earn a good chunk of money out of that. That's an amazing thing. I'm very optimistic about video marketing in general. Another field that interests me is doing anything on social media. Say, just producing good content for other companies on social media. Could be video, could be text, could be audio, could be just graphics, good graphics. That's social media marketing is something that you can help out with a lot of companies. The thing is कि जो ये growing startups है ना, like startups which recently raised funding and are growing at a high pace, उनको हर type की requirement रहती है. The weirdest of the weirdest requirement, right? Like right now we need someone who helps lead a finance club. कोई ऐसा बंदा जिसने finance के events किए हैं और जिसको financial knowledge है थोड़ा, to lead a finance club. Like that's the role we are hiring for. So everyone has really different requirements, and the best way of finding a side hustle is not to ask, not to guess. Assume मत करो कि ये side hustle से पैसे कमा लूंगा. Everyone might earn through different means. Go and talk to companies directly, or just cold email या फिर call पे लग जाओ और पूछो कि what exactly do you want and how can I help you in it. So that way you'll have direct feedback. And अगर उन्होंने बोला कि hey, I need a content writer, or if someone says hey, I need a video editor, or if someone says I need someone who helps me teach a particular topic and I feel like I can help you teach, then go ahead and do it. So there are thousands of professions out there, but the best way of getting a gig is approach a favorite company, ask them what they're working on and how you can help them.
ओके। सो टेल अस अबाउट व्हाट इज़ ब्लू लर्न एंड बेसिकली एक स्टार्टअप करने का बेसिकली आइडिया किस तरीके से आपके आया मतलब?
तो ये मैंने पहले इंट्रोडक्शन में
हाँ,
बता दिया था,
बताया था।
पर ब्लू लर्न
बेसिकली थोड़ा
समरी दे देता हूँ
ढंग
एक
से,
और
हाँ।
बार. हाँ,
या
ठीक है. तो इंट्रोडक्शन में बोला था ना कि एज आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग माय यूट्यूब, कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करना था एंड हैड टू डेमोक्रेटाइज द वे कॉलेज एजुकेशन वर्क. तो द रीजन व्हाई वी फॉर्म्ड दिस इनटू अ स्टार्टअप, लाइक अभी तो स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी था डिस्कॉर्ड पे, द रीजन व्हाई वी planned on making it a startup was because when you actually work in a team and when you hire people full time to work for a particular cause, it just amplifies the effects, right? अगर मैं इसको side project जैसे ही चलाते रहता, so we could have hit 50,000 users, but then just capped at it. Like growing beyond that would have been very tough for us. Like if I had a daytime job and if I was doing this on the side, I couldn't have had the impact that I would have loved to have, right? So that's the reason we planned on raising some money and taking it up full time and making
Yeah.
sure that we stick to the problem that we sought out to solve for. And for us, it like impact is not 50,000 users. For us, impact is 10 million users, 100 million users. That's the impact that we want to have in India, and probably even touch a billion users at one point in time. And when you have such ambitious goals, it's important to have capital. It's important to have a good team. It's important that you're doing it full time and you're all in on it. And that's the reason why we chose to take the startup route and take it up full time, in spite of being in a good college. And we could have like easily settled in life, but we didn't really want to go in that route.
ओके सो रिसेंटली आपने अभी फंडिंग भी रेज करी थी स्टार्टअप के लिए, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। एंड उसके लिए ये चीज़ बताइए कि मतलब बेसिकली हाउ डिड यू मैनेज टू गेट दैट फंडिंग, एंड बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी मेजर पॉइंट कि मतलब कोई भी स्टार्टअप होता है तो बेसिकली एक फंडिंग रेज करना।
Mm-hmm. So, to be honest, dude, if you're working on something that's big enough and if you have traction, then investors would be happy to support you, right? We already had around 30,000 members when we first approached Lightspeed. We were growing at like 15-20% month on month. We were seeing our impact. People were attending events, people were interacting on the platform. We were sort of helping students out. A lot of people were like, hey, I got my first freelancing gig out of it. Hey, I got my first job because of things I learned through Blue Learn. I got my first internship because of the things I learned through Blue Learn. Made a lot of friends on Blue Learn, which is also awesome. So since we were looking and like observing these tangible outcomes through Blue Learn, we thought that it'll be a good time for us to approach investors who are also interested in changing the way education works in college. And a lot of investors showed interest, and they were like, hey, we understand this mission and you guys are college students yourselves, so who would be a better person to solve for this, right? And that's how we convinced them, and that's why they sort of invested in us.
Okay, so what are your future plans for this?
Oh, so right now we are building a very simple app that sort of helps the community members out in terms of finding events, in terms of attending a bunch of events, joining different clubs and things like that. Then we'll roll out like a social feature where, community members can DM each other, find relevant connections. Like we're planning to start this feature where it recommends the most relevant people you should connect with, because LinkedIn Pay, when you go, there are lots of people, right? You're confused. But here the algorithm automatically matches you with the most relevant person you should connect with and gives suggestions. So you can just tap on it and then you can DM them and get in touch with them. So if you're someone who's interested in podcasting and if you live in Rajasthan, we'll connect you with another podcaster in Rajasthan. And you can like DM him and collaborate for future things, right? So that's the aim that we have with Blue Learn, connecting smart people together and also organizing clubs and building communities which actually help them upskill themselves.
Amazing. Okay, so any mistake that you want to share during your journey?
So I usually avoid this question because I've made tons of mistakes before, but then again, thing is that's life, right? What's life if you don't make mistakes? If you're perfect all the time, then maza hi nahi aayega, no? So I'm really happy that I made mistakes. I'm really happy that things went the way they are going, and uske bina nothing would have happened, right? So I've made a lot of mistakes, but I never really like discourage people from not making mistakes. It's totally fine. Go ahead, make mistakes. Only then you'll learn. Everyone knows about it. So yeah, as long as you're not doing something illegal, it's fine. Go ahead and do mistakes.
या एक्चुअली यू सेड वेरी राइट, मतलब ये चीज़ मेरे को भी बहुत ऐसी लगती है क्योंकि हमें बेसिकली स्टार्टिंग से सिखाया जाता है कि बेसिकली मिस्टेक करनी बहुत बेकार है। एक तरीके से हमें ये दिखाया जाता है कि मतलब फेल होना बेकार है, लेकिन एक्चुअली में फेल जब होते हैं या फिर जो मिस्टेक्स होती हैं उसी से ही हम बेसिकली लर्न करते हैं। तो ये क्वेश्चन बेसिकली मैंने इसलिए रखा था कि आपकी ऐसी कौन सी मिस्टेक है जिससे कि हम बेसिकली लर्न कर सकते हैं, या फिर कुछ ऐसा आपको लगता हो कि पूरी जर्नी के दौरान, आपकी लाइफ जर्नी के दौरान कि हाँ पे ये ऐसी मिस्टेक।
I would say, at least for abhi nahi, but when I was in my 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th grade, I wasn't a very social person. I was very introverted, right? I did not talk to girls. I did not have a girlfriend. I did not like um, even normal like adults, right? I did not talk to a lot of people. I was like scared that, hey, ये तो बड़ा बंदा है, इसके साथ कैसे बात करूंगा मैं? And I think those fears were not very positive because that sort of prevented me from expanding my network. Yeah. Now that I'm in the startup world, it's my duty to expand my network, and I think that I'm doing a fairly decent job. But then if I had started doing it way earlier, then it would have been more beneficial, right? Being more outgoing, being more open to things and just being more social. I think it really helps because one thing I've realized is, no matter how talented you are, if you don't have a good network, if you don't know big people, if you don't know smart people, if you don't have people who support you in each phase of your life, then it's going to be really hard, right? As humans, we are social beings. We have to be with other people, and that's very important. I think that's a hard lesson that I learned later on. I understood the importance of having really supportive people in your life, and yeah, that's it.
या बेसिकली ये जो आजकल का जो ज़माना है उसके अंदर तो बहुत आसान हो गया है कि हम बेसिकली लिंक्डइन के ऊपर जा करके और बहुत आसानी से मतलब कनेक्शंस बना सकते हैं। पहले के ज़माने में मतलब जैसे फिजिकल कनेक्शंस बनाने पड़ते थे, तो बेसिकली ये चीज़ अभी जैसे मैं जैसे पॉडकास्टिंग वगैरह करता हूँ तो ये चीज़ मेरे को भी ये चीज़ दिखती है कि बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बेसिकली ये, और इससे बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेवरेज बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ होता है, बेसिकली अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इंक्रीज़ होती है। एंड इसके साथ मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगा कि व्हाट विल बी योर एडवाइस टू ऑल ऑफ दोज हु वांट्स टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन समथिंग, मतलब आपकी उन लोगों के लिए एडवाइस क्या होगी जो लोग कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं अपनी खुद ओन से, लेकिन ये नहीं जानते कि बेसिकली किस तरीके से।
Go ahead and start building side projects, as many side projects as you can. Don't be afraid of building side projects. अगर रात को कुछ 2 घंटा टाइम मिल रहा है तो start building it. अगर आपको कोडिंग आता है तो start it on your own. अगर नहीं आता है तो दोस्तों को बुलाओ और start building it out. You never know. अगर इंडिया का, if India needs to have more startups, if India needs to raise more money, if India needs to become better as an economy, if India needs more Zomatos getting listed on the stock market, then people have to start projects. People have to
Yeah.
start projects and take it seriously, right? Not just for the sake of their resume. So if more and more people start doing that, if more and more people understand that the only way of creating wealth in India is by starting more companies, then that's when change will happen. So don't be afraid. Don't look like. I agree, stability and all of that is important, and that's what people say. But who said startups are unstable, right? Especially that given the fact that there's so much of venture capital money floating around, BharatPe is giving BMWs to people who join in as software engineers. That's and probably pays them twice of what people at Amazon get paid. So my point being, there's startups are not risky. That's one thing that you got to remember. Good startups are never risky. Founders always know what the next good move is, and that's why people trust them. Um, so yeah, I think now we've passed the phase where people used to think startups are risky. So more and more people should realize that and start joining high growth startups which are doing well, and you know, just change the way the economy works.
या ओके, सो एक चीज़ मैं पूछना चाहूँगा इन सभी चीज़ों के लिए। एक प्रोडक्टिविटी बहुत ही एक ऐसी टर्म है कि बेसिकली हर कोई चाहता है, एंड इसके लिए आप बेसिकली क्या बताएंगे, या फिर आप कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ करते हैं टू बी प्रोडक्टिव, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज हसल एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स नीड्स प्रोडक्टिविटी। सो इस चीज़ के लिए आप बताइए कि हाउ टू बी प्रोडक्टिव।
So I would say कि don't over exhaust yourself. This is something that I've learned. अगर आप पूरा दिन रात काम कर रहे हो, किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो, चिल नहीं कर रहे हो, किसी दोस्त के साथ मूवी नहीं देख रहे हो, या फिर यू नो बस किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो या फिर दोस्ती नहीं बना रहे हो किसी के साथ, it's not going to work out, right? It has to be a balance. So the way I look at it is that have a schedule, wake up early, do your stuff, काम करो, breaks लो, talk to people, eat well, work out well. Like मैं बैडमिंटन खेलने जाता हूँ, या फिर sometimes Monday onwards you want to go to the gym, वो प्लान में है, and then just going for a walk and things like that, talking to friends, making friends, and just socializing in general. All of that is important, right?
या
तो एक दिन just make sure that you're getting all of these aspects. So सुबह मेरा mostly it's work time, then I take a break, talk to my parents, talk to my friend, and then later on towards the day, we again get into work, meetings, stuff like that. And at the end of the day, I read or spend time with friends, things like that. So it should be a balanced life. Don't overexhaust yourself. If you start pulling off like 17, 18 hour work hours consistently, रोज के रोज, तो at one point you'll get burnt out. And I've been through that phase. I don't want to go through it again, and that's why I'm trying to avoid it. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेहनत मत करो। जब मेहनत करने का टाइम आता है तो 100% दे के मेहनत करो, नो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस एट ऑल। बट वो होने के बाद डू चिल आउट, डू टेक अ चिल पिल, एंड जस्ट लिव लाइफ प्रॉपर्ली मैन, इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज वर्क।
ओके, सो एक लास्ट मैसेज आप क्या देना चाहेंगे ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हमें सुन रहे हैं बेसिकली, तो उन सभी को एक चीज़ अब बताइए कि कोई लास्ट मैसेज आपका हो तो।
um, तो आई थिंक मैं वापस यही चीज बोलूंगा कि um, मतलब since I'm into startups, I'm going to talk about startups itself. Work on projects or starting on startup or join a startup, and even working for a startup is not a big issue. Like ये फैंग वाली जो चीज़ है ना वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है मतलब it's there's nothing wrong in joining a FANG company, it's totally fine, but if people are brainwashed into just joining FANG companies, then I would discourage you to do that. Join a Urban Clap or a Zomato or a Swiggy or an Unacademy. Like join startups which are really really working on it. You know, join startups which are solving real problems, and that's what I would suggest people. And if you don't want to join a startup, start your own startup and things like that. Yeah, I mean, ऐसा नहीं कि corporate jobs को मत जाओ, but if you have this as an option, then definitely go for it. The learning curve is super steep, and you'll grow as a person. And even in terms of wealth creation, a lot of wealth creation happens when you join good startups at good points in time.
या एक्चुअली ये फैंग के अंदर आइडिया मेरे को भी सही नहीं लगता, क्योंकि या तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज ना हो, मतलब ऐसा हो रखा है कि सभी लोग क्राउड वहां पे बढ़ाएंगे जहां पे बेसिकली ऑलरेडी क्राउड है, और जिस जगह पे बेसिकली और अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं उस जगह पे अगर लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे तो देर आर मैनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, और वहां पे कॉम्पिटिशन भी बहुत कम है। लेकिन ये चीज आपने बिल्कुल सही कही, ये चीज मेरे को भी सही नहीं लगती कि स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं लेकिन इफ दे डोंट एक्सप्लोर मच, तो ये चीज मतलब इतना ओवर बनती जा रही है कि जो कंपनीज हैं वो डीएसए और जो उनका जो स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होता है बेसिकली उसका लेवल भी बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं। क्योंकि 3-4 साल पहले अगर जो स्टूडेंट्स थे उनसे अगर रिव्यू लिया जाए तो बेसिकली वो ये कहते हैं कि डीएसए और जो भी उनका लेवल होता था क्वेश्चंस का वो बहुत ही स्टूडेंट बट पढ़ करके और बेसिकली निकाल लेते थे। लेकिन आजकल बिल्कुल कॉम्पिटेटिव कोडिंग और उसके अंदर भी बिल्कुल रैंक्स वगैरह चाहिए उसके बाद में जाकर के। सो आई ऑल्सो डोंट लाइक दैट आइडिया, मतलब जहाँ पे पहले से ही कॉम्पिटिशन है वहाँ पे और भी ज्यादा क्राउड बढ़ाते जाओ, तो एक तरीके से ये चीज मतलब सही नहीं है।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली।
या एंड इसी के साथ ये जो वीडियो है आपके साथ में मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया रही, बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा बेसिकली। एंड या उसी के साथ में अब हम इस वीडियो को एंड करने जा रहे होंगे। आई होप कि इस वीडियो के साथ में अब सभी स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत कुछ लर्न करने को मिला होगा। प्लीज़ लेट मी नो एट द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपको कोई भी टाइप की इंप्रूवमेंट या फिर कोई भी रिव्यूज़ हो तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो एट द कमेंट सेक्शन, और किस टाइप की वीडियोज़ चाहिए प्लीज़ लेट मी नो एट द कमेंट सेक्शन। एंड इसी के साथ में आई वॉन्ट टू एंड दिस वीडियो, सो स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, एंड अ बिग थम्स अप फ्रॉम माई साइड। बाय बाय गाइस।